In this video, I'll detail how to use send later on iPhone on iOS 18. So if you're an iPhone user and you've upgraded to the latest iOS 18, then there is a cool feature you want to use on iMessage or while sending SMS called the send later. So basically the send later will allow you to schedule message on your iPhone and send at a particular time based on your preference. So if I don't know this video, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to use send later on iPhone on iOS 18, all you just need to do is open the message app like this. Then open the message where you want to send the message to, whether on iMessage or not. Then tap to type the message. So basically, I'm going to send this message later, like, hey, this is send later message on iPhone on iOS 18. This works on iMessage and it works on normal SMS. Once you type the message just like this, home here and click on this plus button. Then click on more. Here you see send later. Then go ahead and click on send later. Once you select send later, you'll be prompted to set when you want to send this particular message. Then let's say I want to send it on August 4 at exactly 8 a.m. in the morning, or change the minute. Then once you're done, you should see when this message is going to be sent tomorrow by 8 a.m. Then click on send. Then you should see this message send as send later. Then this message will not be delivered instantly, and if you come here, you will not see the message. You're only going to see the last message sent or the last communication from the receiver. Now, at that particular time, when the send later is scheduled, the message will be sent at that time. So that's how you can easily use send later on iPhone on iOS 18. So you can use this whether you're using iMessage or normal SMS. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.